How are you today? It's Berta J in my kitchen with you. A little bit different, I know. So I wanted to give you another product review on another cereal that I like to eat. And it's called Frosted Flakes Sprouted Wheat. From Cascadian Farms, I want to make sure that I let you know, and it's organic. Most of their stuff is organic and very good, what I've tasted. You know, sometimes you don't want to really make a tofu scramble. You don't want to have avocado toast. You just want to grab a box of cereal that you can trust. This is one of them that I like. It does have sweetener in it, does have sugar in it, but it is very low in calories and fat. 1 gram of fat and 6 grams of protein. And it says so right here on the box, 55 grams of whole grain per serving. And it's very, very simple. There's not a whole lot of ingredients in this box. And it's whole wheat, organic, sprouted whole wheat, flour, organic. It does have sugar, which is also organic, sea salt, natural flavor, vitamin E. That's it. That's all that's in here. The amount of sugar is low. It's 6 grams. And when you convert that, you can convert that to teaspoons. It's like a teaspoon and a half. Okay? You just open up the box, pour out 1.25 cups. That's the serving size. And to that, I just add, their suggestion is 1/2 cup of milk. So that's how much I'm going to pour on here. But I like to stir it up and crunch it down with my spoon. And I'll taste it. It's not super sweet, but it is sweet. It's very good. It's very crunchy. And you know, I like the crunch. It's just a very light sweetness to it. And it's a very quick, ready to go breakfast. You don't have to put anything else on it. I think once you pour this in a bowl with 1/2 cup of milk, you're gonna find out that's enough for you. So give it a try. I guess you could also have it, if you wanted to, as a little snack. Kind of how I eat. I like to eat the flakes separate, without the milk, but I have had it for breakfast. So it's very, very good. Cascadian Farms, Frosted Flakes with sprouted wheat. Delicious. Thumbs up for me for this product, okay? So until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.